Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. And firstly, make sure that you enable the Bluetooth. Open control panel to check it and enable the Bluetooth if it's disabled. So on iOS you can just tap the Bluetooth icon. On Android maybe you need to click at the slider near to the Bluetooth. Now, your speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there is a problem for iOS devices. You need to do this manually. So if you have iPhone, it happens with all devices. After you turn on the Bluetooth, it do not reconnect with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your speaker at the device list. Also, sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically, so you can also try to go to the Bluetooth on your Android device and try to reconnect in this way. Now, if it didn't help you, firstly we should perform the soft reset. To perform the soft reset, you need to turn off and turn on your speaker. So, at the top of your speaker we have power button, press one time on it to turn off it. After that, press again to turn on your speaker. And after the soft reset, the speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically on all platforms. But as I said, sometimes it happens, so if it do not reconnect automatically, try to also tap on it in the Bluetooth. Now, check. If the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side on your speaker, you need to find play pause button and volume up button. Press and hold these buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now you can release your finger. And then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. But firstly, let's turn on it. Press one time at the power button. The speaker turn on and enter to pairing mode. We know it by the prompt, and also the LED light was blinking white. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click forget this device button, or maybe you have forget button or forget device button or unpair or remove. And forget device. Without it, so you will remove the speaker, but without it, if you try to reconnect it, you tap at the speaker. On iOS it will ask you to remove the speaker, on Android it will show you connectional trouble. After you remove your speaker, at the top, on Android, you will find pair new device button. You need to tap at this button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button like on Realme, tap at this button and you will see your speaker. At the device list, tap at your speaker and we just reconnect it with the phone. If you want to reconnect your speaker also with the application, hide the settings, open JBL Portable app and then wait a bit. And now, as you can see, it reconnects automatically with the application. Now check if the factory reset didn't help you. I have one more solution to you. We can reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have systems that visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. So on your iPhone, open settings, then we should go to the general settings. Tap at the general line, then scroll down, and at the bottom you will find transfer or reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset. In this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we use this button. Then write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. Then we should go to the System. Scroll down, click at the System, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android at the bottom, you may have it at the beginning or the middle, it depends on the phone, we have Reset Options. Tap at the Reset Options. In this window, you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.